There he is, right in front of us. How'd I get knocked down? Oh, behind us! Behind us! Back where we were. Straight west. Straight down there. There he is. To your left. Nice. It's gotta be that same guy again that we just shot up.
Probably. I see both of them.
Okay. I'm bandaging. Okay, I'm good. He's like, where's that guy? He had to be
There's
pushed
two
to
of
us.
them,
They
they
gotta
should
be
be
lower
targeted.
than us, aren't we?
They would have dropped. Circle's in our advantage. Behind.
Where the hell was that at? Do you have a marker?
Trying to get eyes.
There he is, there he is.
I
I
don't
see
have-
him right there. Shot him in the head once. He's like 210 from me. Just like right edge. They're gonna grenade
Got any
us.
grenades?
I have. There he is. He's coming to us.
Or it's just a team left. Well, it's a team and a solo. Well, not two solos.
I
Actually,
killed
just
this.
one guy left.
Yep. I bet you straight ahead. This is the final circle too, so. You ready for this? Where the hell is he?
Way below.
Oh, you see him?
Oh, I just know he is because if we can't see him up here. Found him.
Yeah! Winner, winner, chicken dinner!